Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by safeguarding your data and preparing the phone for direct removal. Backup photos and important files, then open Settings, tap Build Number until developer options appear, and turn on USB debugging. On your PC, install ADB tools and connect the phone via USB. Once connected, run a DB devices to confirm the phone is authorized. This step lets you send commands to the phone. Without it, you cannot remove built-in theme components safely, so make sure the device shows up before moving on. With USB debugging active and ADB confirmed, you identify the theme service to remove. Open a shell with a DB shell and list packages related to theme or launcher. Use grep keywords like theme, MIUI, or launcher to narrow results. Once you find the exact package name, run a DB shell PM uninstall user 0 package, name to remove it for the current user. This detaches the theme without wiping the system partition. Once done, the system will revert to the default theme provider and launcher for your user profile. Once the uninstall completes, reboot the phone with a DB reboot and check the home screen and settings themes to confirm the default theme is active. If icons or widgets look wrong, go to Settings and set the default launcher and icon pack. Clear launcher data if needed. If the uninstall command fails or causes instability, the reliable recovery is flashing the official stock ROM using MyFlash in fast boot mode. That restores system apps and resolves persistent problems. Use the official firmware for your Poco X5 Pro model.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.